Imagine waking up one morning, looking out your window, and nothing. No warm glow, no blue sky, just endless black. What if the sun, our life-giving star, suddenly disappeared? Would Earth freeze instantly? Would we fly off into space? Or could some of us survive? In this video, we'll break down the terrifying timeline, second by second. If you love it, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Believe it or not, if the sun suddenly disappeared right now, you wouldn't notice for the first 8 minutes and 20 seconds. That's how long light from the sun takes to reach us, about 93 million miles away. So your morning coffee still looks sunny, but that's just the light still traveling. Here's the crazy part. Gravity also moves at the speed of light, so Earth keeps orbiting as if the sun were still there. Okay, those 8 minutes are up. Suddenly, the whole world goes dark. No more light from the Sunday, the moon. It shines because of the sun, so no moonlight either. But wait, other planets like Big Jupiter might send back a tiny bit of glow for about an hour. Picture a soft, starry sky, super clear, without city lights. Pretty at first, huh? But birds think it's bedtime and stop singing. Cows might lie down like in an eclipse. People? Total panic. Everyone turns on lights, calls friends, posts online like, "Where is the sun?" Temperature drops slow at first, about 1 to 2 degrees per hour, thanks to Earth's saved up warmth. A few hours later, the sun is gone and everything is dark. Temperatures start dropping fast. In a few days, the whole world goes below freezing. Warm places like Hawaii would turn icy. Most plants on the ground would die, but big trees might survive for years using stored energy. Animals that eat plants would starve first, then meat-eating animals. People would take food from stores and burn things to stay warm, but soon there would be no food left. Some tiny life deep in the ocean might survive from Earth's heat, but on land it's freezing. People could die from cold. And because there's no sun, Earth moves in a straight line through space at 18 miles per second. We could crash into space rocks or drift away as a lost planet. Could we survive? Almost no chance for most people. Maybe a few in special, sealed places with advanced technology could live, but most humans would die in weeks. Here's a fun fact. The sun isn't going anywhere. As space experts say, we are made from stars and depend on this one. Amazing, right? What would you do first if the sun disappeared? Write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.